What's up, good people? We're going to drop off this Uber Eats, man. Chick-fil-A, as you can see, Chick-fil-A. Going here. This is the Uber Eats run. Kind of like multi-apping today. Put that right there. Boom. We in there, baby. Give a description. Deliver food at the front door. Thank you very much.
I am boundless.
So people, we're getting ready to drop off the second Uber Eats from Egg Up Grill. You can see here. Like that. Boom. Delivered front door. Thank you very much. Drop off this Uber Eats right now. I mean Doordash. It's a Doordash order. There you go, boss. How we doing?
Appreciate it, buddy.
Thank you very much. Have a good weekend, okay? Got that up now. Yes. Got the. So we're here at our other location, guys. We're getting ready to go drop this off. Japanese order to our customer. It is a leave it at the door. So we're gonna do that right now. Some cleats, firm. We got $25 run. Made a $12 tip on that one, guys. That's what's up. Let's go get it. This is all. That's a custom. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Maggie?
Yes.
There you are. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Off this Uber Eats. Let's see, Joy. Firehouse up. Let's do it right here. Joy. Take a picture. Submit. Going to pick up an Uber Eats at Zaxby's. So we got our delivery. Let's go drop it off, guys. Okay, good people. Let's drop this Uber Eats off here. Nice little area over here. And we go. That's what we do. So that's the drop off. We out here. We're probably gonna shut it down for lunch, guys, and then we'll see what happens later on tonight. Okay. So let's go get it. Doing our last drop off. As I told you earlier, there's always people that order DoorDash upstairs. You see what I'm talking about? We get ready to drop the Starbucks off here. Take a picture. Boom. We're done with that one. So, like I said, that's our ride along today. Hey guys, hope you enjoy the videos. Hope you enjoy the ride alongs. Don't forget to give the stars support for what I'm doing. If you support, you like what I do, hey, just give those stars to me. It's only 99 cents, guys. So I appreciate you very much. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to like and share the video. Talk to you guys later. Let's go take a break. Let's go get some lunch. Talk to you guys later. Peace.